Hey guys, it's Adam here from F150LEDs.com. Today we're going to be showing you how to install our Generation 2 Raptor Grill Light Kit on your Bronco Sport. This kit's going to add an amazing aesthetic upgrade to the truck, and it's going to make you stand out a lot at night, so it's going to make you and your families a whole lot safer. We're going to go ahead and jump into the install right now. Alright, so we went ahead and popped our hood, and the first step that we need to do is remove this plastic valence here. To do so, there are 4 10mm size bolts along here, and there's also 6 7mm size bolts on the front edge of this piece right here that we'll need to remove. All right, now that we've removed our bolts, all we have to do is remove this plastic valence. Okay, the first thing we need to do is use the included adhesion promotion wipes to wipe down our mounting surface. So we're gonna go ahead and do that. Just make sure we have a nice clean surface. That way our 3M would adhere really well. We don't have to worry about these lights coming off. Now that we've done that, we're going to let that dry for a second, then we'll be ready to run our lights. Alright, to run these lights, you can either take the light itself and run it from behind the grill down over into the opening you desire, or you can do what we're going to do is we're going to slide the connector through the opening, and then there's an opening at the top of your grill that you can use your hand or a pair of needle nose pliers to grab your connector and feed it through. So we've already chosen our desired mounting locations based off our grill configuration. We're going to go for a 4-light adaptation of this kit. So we're going to go ahead and run this connector through this outside. It is a little tight, but it will go through. And then now we're going to reach through the hole in the top of the grill, get the connector. Now that we've run our first light through, we're going to do the same thing with our other 3 lights, just like so. Now that we have all of our lights fed through and up into the engine bay, we're going to go ahead and mount our lights. We're going to remove the protective 3M covering from our 3M here. Firmly press it to the back of this light, like so. Then remove the other side of the 3M covering. Then we're going to take it and mount it right inside this hole here. And then you want to reach from behind and use 2 fingers to press down on this and hold down for about 30 to 60 seconds to make sure this has a really good adhesion. Now we need to connect our harness to power. To do so, we're going to take the red wire from our harness and connect to the brown wire with a blue tracer in it, and the black wire from our harness and connect to a black wire with a green tracer. That'll allow this kit to be on anytime the headlights are on. So we're just going to go ahead, use our quick connectors, slide that wire through the opening channel. Once you've done that, clamp down on the metal tab, like so. That'll essentially connect these two wires together. And now we're going to do the same for the ground wire. Slide it through that channel. Slide this one through. And then use the pliers to clamp down on the metal tab. Now that we've connected to power, all there's left to do is connect our lights to the harness like so. When you do so, you'll hear a little click that they click into place. Once we've connected all four, we're going to zip tie our harness up, making sure any excess wire isn't hanging down into the engine bay area. Once we've done that, we'll re-bolt our plastic valence back into place and we'll be good to go. So that's all there is to installing our Generation 2 Raptor grill kit on your Bronco Sport. You can check this kit out along with all of our other amazing LED technology for your Ford truck at f150leds.com. We truly appreciate your support and we look forward to seeing you there. Thanks guys.